Hello and welcome to a Pokemon half deck and booster set opening. Just to introduce myself to the audience, my name is RetNa and I have never actually opened a Pokemon booster pack in my entire life. I am in my mid-20s, which is pretty sad for the fact that I've just started getting into this again. And I've decided that maybe it might be time to look back on my childhood favorites and collectibles and see if I could actually get into the game itself as a playable card game and not just a collectible hobby. So on the table today we have three different booster packs. We have the black and white legendary treasures, we have the XY booster, and we also have the X and Y flash fire. Just behind the flash fire we have the half deck Sylveon, and well, this is the point where I admit my ignorance because I never really got past the first 150. I think it's a noise bat. But nevertheless, we will open them and let this interesting Pokemon journey begin. 16 years before it should have started. Alright, we're going to open the first pack now. Okay, so the first pack we'll be opening will be the Legendary Treasures for the black and white. It has a picture of Mewtwo on the cover. So I'm kind of excited to see what's in this. Like I said, I've never opened a booster pack before. So let's just get this open. I've completely destroyed the cardboard. As you can tell, I've actually never opened a booster pack. The evidence is in the destruction. So, here it is. Feigning ignorance again. It's the legendary from the white. I can't remember her name. This is so embarrassing. You're probably going to be screaming and yelling at me, saying, go somewhere else. But you know what? Everyone's got to start somewhere. And so we're just going to open this. Okay, that's the little code. Let me know in the comments whether or not you want one of these. If I remember the trick correctly, it's 1, 2, 3. Past the 3, there should be 2 rares. So you just switch those in front, and we'll find out what those are later. Okay, so first up we have Charmander, Magikarp, Tympole. I'm also going to be pronouncing half of these completely wrong, so again, forgive me. We have Krogunk. Oh, really? Sorry, I don't like this one. Oh, this is our holographic. Oh, I didn't think we get a holographic so early on. Did I mix that wrong? Okay, so this one is a rare. So that's a holographic. Ooh, Krylia. We have that one next. We have Cedric Juniper. We have Pulse. Or Plusle. Okay. We have Tangrowth. This is non-holographic. No way. My first booster pack ever. Holy crow. It's in full EX. My first booster pack ever, and it's a full EX. That is so cool. I'm 12 all over again. That is amazing. Alright, so I guess it's time for the next pack. We'll be taking it from the Pokemon XY. So we'll just tear this open off screen so you don't have to look at the terrible, 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 terribleness of it all. And oh, there's a Pokemon I know. Mega Blastoise. Yeah. There's my childhood. Alright, we're just going to open this. Okay, let me try that trick again. I don't know if that was like I lucked out, but let's try that again. There's the code. Let me know in the comments if you want it. So 1, 2, 3. Those should be our rares, if I remember correctly on how to do these. Okay, so we have Spupa, Max Revive, Inkay. Ooh, an ability. Nice. We have Honedge, Bidoof, Pikachu. Sorry, I have to say that name like that. I grew up on it. We have Spritzy. We have Venipede. Okay. First rare. Oh, that's our reverse holo Simisear. Nice. And the final card is a Stoutland Plain. So the only holo in this entire deck was our inverse Simisear. Is it inverse? Yes, it's inverse. All right, so that was the X and Y. We're off to the Flash Fire now. If you know who this guy is, let me know. Again, lots of rage hate I'm expecting from commenters, but I'm learning. Give me a break. Let's just open this. Okay. So it's, I just want to call him Lion Roar. That's probably not his name, but whatever. I shouldn't say whatever. This is you guys take it seriously. I mean, I get it. All right, so let's open it. Okay. There's our code. 1, 2, 3. All right, start from the. We have Celio. Ooh, Lysander. Ooh. Roserade. Bergmite. Stunky. Geodude. Fletching. Feebas. First, our inverse holo is a Centeret. And our, no way. Oh my god, no way. I got the EX Charizard. Wow. That, I am completely dumbstruck. I got the Mega EX Charizard. That's an amazing haul from the boosters. I am very, very happy with this. Okay. So that's it for the boosters. I'll be opening the trainer kit later this week. Well, I'll be uploading it later this week, so stay tuned for that. And wow, first 3 boosters in my life and not a bad haul. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.